This dreamy region, known for its distinctive rock formations, has become a popular destination for breathtaking hot air balloon rides and scenic adventures. While you're here, nothing beats staying in one of Cappadocia's famous cave hotels. Cave hotels in Cappadocia are historical and cultural monuments that preserve the legacy of previous civilizations. Many of these hotels have been restored and renovated with modern amenities, but their original charm and character remain. Kelebek Special Cave Hotel. When you stay at Kelebek Special Cave Hotel, it's difficult to ignore the region's history. When you stay here for a few nights, you'll be staying in a cave or stone-arched suite carved by the early Christians. The suites are decorated with traditional furnishings and handmade fabrics and feature fireplaces, balconies, and marble bathrooms to keep the traditional theme going. Kelebek has the best views of hot air balloon rides among Cappadocia cave hotels, so even if you're not going into the sky, you can still admire the balloons from your hotel. Gamirasu Cave Hotel. If you're looking for an authentic cave experience, there's arguably no better place to stay than Gamirasu Cave Hotel, one of the world's top cave hotels. This place charms you from the moment you walk in, as it is located in a restored 1,000-year-old Byzantine monastic retreat with a rich history and spiritual atmosphere. Free Wi-Fi, hot tubs, massage treatments, a seasonal outdoor pool, and rooms built into volcanic rock with vaulted ceilings and decorated in traditional Turkish style are available. Don't miss the hotel's restaurant, which serves traditional Cappadocian dishes prepared with organic ingredients. Museum Hotel. It's fair to say that Museum Hotel is all about the good looks and interesting conversations. As you might have guessed from the name, this is a hotel that takes pride in impressing its guests. Museum Hotel is a Relais and Chateau member, a prestigious association of the world's finest hotels and restaurants, as well as a living museum displaying hundreds of historical artifacts and antiques from various periods. If you want to go all out, some of the rooms have jacuzzis, fireplaces, wine taps, and private terraces with breathtaking views of Cappadocia below. Carus Cappadocia. Head to the beautiful Goreme to check into the one and only Carus Cappadocia. This elegant hotel is a luxurious retreat that provides easy access to the area's famous hot air balloon rides. There are 50 suites and cave rooms here, each with its own unique interior design. Each room is distinct and has its own size, architectural details, and forms. While staying at this hotel in Cappadocia, you'll be close to a plethora of restaurants and shops. Although you'll find plenty to keep you busy on site, like the indoor swimming pool, sauna, or the delicious dishes served right here. Ennar Cave Hotel. Ennar Cave Hotel is a little cozier than your typical Cappadocia hotel, but it has all of the region's charm and impeccable service to match. It's located in Ennar, a small town in Cappadocia, and features cave rooms with private bathrooms and central heating, as well as a swimming pool, garden, terrace, and barbecue area for those long sunny days. The indoor swimming pool, which is also housed within a cave, and offers a stunning view of the town and mountains. This location is also ideal for those looking to explore. The hotel can assist you in organizing tours and activities, such as hot air balloon rides, horseback riding, cycling, hiking, and much more. Narcissos Cave Hotel. The entire Narcissos Cave Hotel is built into Cappadocia's caves, so you'll never forget you're in beautiful Turkey when you wake up here. A place rarely seen without hot air balloons dreamily floating above it, Narcissos Cave Hotel does things properly when you're looking for the full experience. If you're visiting during the cooler months, you'll probably want to spend the majority of your time here, sitting in the garden or relaxing on the terrace, curled up with the hotel's thick rugs. Check into your room for an authentic cave experience, or venture just outside the hotel grounds for breathtaking views. Cappadocia Cave Suites. When you stay at Cappadocia Cave Suites, you know what you're getting: a premium cave experience in the heart of the region. This hotel is in the heart of Dreamy, one of Europe's most picturesque small towns, surrounded by famous fairy chimneys and colorful rock formations. The hotel itself does not disappoint, with a panoramic terrace offering breathtaking views of the valleys and the sunrise or sunset over the horizon. In addition, depending on the size of your group, the hotel has a restaurant, a bar, a Turkish bath, a sauna, a massage service, and a variety of deluxe cave rooms or suites. Sultan Cave Suites. If you're going to Cappadocia for the views, Sultan Cave Suites is hard to beat. This charming hotel is situated on Aydınlı Hill in Dreamy, providing stunning views of one of the world's most amazing cave cities around the clock. The hotel not only has a panoramic terrace with panoramic views of Dreamy and the surrounding valleys, mountains, and the Narcissos volcano, but rooms also have patios and balconies with similar views. Wake up to breathtaking sunrise views and hot air balloons filling the sky. This one-of-a-kind hotel goes all out with antiques, providing a trip back in time every time you check in. Kayakapi Premium Caves. Kayakapi Premium Caves is one of the best places to stay in Cappadocia if you want to have a memorable and enchanting trip. This hotel offers picturesque views of all of the above, while ensuring a premium experience no matter who you're traveling with. It's the ideal place to explore one of the world's most magical landscapes, with its fairy chimneys, rock formations, underground cities, and hot air balloon rides. And this is a hotel that almost everyone in the know recommends. It's the first and only boutique hotel in Cappadocia, licensed by the Turkish Ministry of Culture and Tourism, as well as supported by UNESCO and the World Heritage Center. Zara Cave Hotel. Discover the allure of Zara Cave Hotel in Cappadocia, where modern luxury meets ancient charm. Nestled within the unique rock formations, our boutique cave hotel offers a surreal experience with meticulously designed rooms, blending comfort and tradition. Zara Cave Hotel in Cappadocia. Experience timeless luxury and enchanting landscapes at Zara Cave Hotel in Cappadocia. Nestled amidst the fairy chimneys, this boutique cave hotel offers a blend of modern comfort and ancient charm. Immerse yourself in the unique ambience of beautifully restored cave rooms, indulge in exquisite cuisine, and embark on unforgettable hot air balloon adventures over the stunning valleys.